Phase line is a simple and convenient way to measure the flat foot. This method doesn't require any complicated instrument or a complex method to measure it. You just need a scale and a marker and little bit of anatomical knowledge and you can do with it. So here I have a scale and I have a marker. Let us try to learn how to measure a flat foot with these two simple instruments. Flat foot is decrease or collapse of medial longitudinal arc. To measure it, make the person sit relaxed with foot on the stool. We have to work on the medial side of the foot. Take a marker and mark 2 points. One over the medial malleolus and another over the base of the medial side of first metatarsal. Medial malleolus is the lower end of the tibula. Base of the first metatarsal is very prominent and it forms the first ball of toes. Take a ruler and join the two dots, making a straight line. This line joining the medial malleolus and base of first metatarsal is called as Feiss line. Now palpate for the navicular tuberosity and make another dot over it. Navicular tuberosity is the prominent bony part just beside the medial malleolus. Now make the person to stand and take weight on the foot. Once again palpate for the navicular tuberosity and mark it with the marker. A positive phase line test is when this marks falls below the line. There are different grades of flat foot. In grade 1, the navicular tuberosity falls 1/3 of the distance of the floor. On grade 2, it falls 2/3 of the distance of the floor. And in grade 3, navicular tuberosity touches the floor. So this is the process to measure the flat foot, a simple way to measure the flat foot. Hope you liked the video. Do share it, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe it now. Thank you.